Want to make incredible bakery quality focaccia with an amazing chewy, bubbly texture? The secret is to be lazy. No, seriously. I'm about to show you a no-knead overnight method that takes just 2 minutes of work before you go to bed and results in the most flavorful focaccia you've ever had. And this is all the work you'll do. The night before you want to bake in a large bowl, simply mix your bread, flour and salt and yeast, and now pour in lukewarm water and stir with a spatula until a wet, shaggy dough forms. There's no kneading, no mess. Just mix until it's combined. Now for the secret. Drizzle the top of the dough with a little olive oil, cover the bowl, and put it straight into the fridge. That's it. Go to bed. While you sleep, a slow, cold fermentation will develop incredible, complex flavors that a quick rise just can't match. This is the key to artisan bread. The next day, take your dough out of the fridge. Look at this. It will be alive with bubbles. This is all flavor. Gently pour it into a well-oiled baking tray. It will be jiggly and beautiful. Let it rest on the counter for a couple of hours to come to room temperature. Once it's puffy again, drizzle generously with more olive oil. Now for the best part, coat your fingertips in oil and gently press down into the dough, creating deep dimples all over. It feels amazing. Finish with a simple sprinkle of flaky sea salt and maybe some fresh rosemary. Bake in a very hot oven until it's deeply golden brown and the top is crispy. The result is a focaccia with a soft, open, incredibly bubbly inside and a delicious, chewy crust. The flavor from that overnight rise is simply unbeatable. This lazy method proves that sometimes less work equals a better result. If you're ready to try the best and easiest focaccia of your life, please hit that like button. Subscribe to Another How To Guru for more secret baking hacks.